My name is Pam Tete, the NEC member of the African National Congress, also the Deputy Minister of Water and Sanitation. I've come here to say thank you to Umama. Umama taught me the struggle. I was very young when I joined the struggle, and Umama was a very brave woman, but teaching us how to lead. I remember Umama when we were fighting from all provinces, more especially because of Natal and Eastern Cape, and part of Gauteng, when we were fighting for Umama to be the president of the Women's League. But Umama, after the conference, embraced everybody. Umama hated anyone, just that she was outspoken and a brave woman. And I want to say, I feel that the younger generation, we did not do our work, because it's only now that children are asking, and because they are seeing the documentary of Mama Unomzamo Mandela. Mama taught us the struggle, but we still owe the young generation, a lot, because it's now that they are seeing where we come from. We never taught them.